To download Trust Wallet and create a wallet, follow these steps. First, go to the official Trust Wallet website or a trusted app store to download the application. Trust Wallet is available for both Android and iOS devices, so choose the correct version for your device. Once you have downloaded the application, install it on your device. The installation process is straightforward and should only take a few seconds. After installing, open the Trust Wallet application. You will be presented with the option to create a new wallet or import an existing one. To create a new wallet, select the Create a New Wallet option. You will be asked to create a PIN or password to secure your wallet. Choose a strong and unique password that you can remember, as this will be used to protect your wallet. Next, you will be given a set of recovery words or phrases. These words are used to recover your wallet in case you lose access to it, so make sure to write them down and store them in a safe place. After setting up your wallet, you will be taken to the main dashboard. From here, you can view your wallet balance, send and receive cryptocurrencies, and access other features such as the dApp browser. To receive cryptocurrencies, go to the Receive section and select the cryptocurrency you want to receive. You will be given a unique wallet address that you can share with others to receive funds. To send cryptocurrencies, go to the Send section and enter the recipient's wallet address and the amount you want to send. Make sure to double-check the address and amount before confirming the transaction. Trust Wallet also supports the storage of non-fungible tokens and other digital assets, making it a versatile and secure wallet solution. Remember to always keep your recovery words and passwords safe, as losing access to your wallet can result in the loss of your funds. By following these steps, you can easily download Trust Wallet and create a secure and functional cryptocurrency wallet.